Doing a brief video here. This is my sister's 2004 Polaris XC600 SP. Putting it online for her. We have a cleared title and a bill of sale. Overall, Snowmobile is in good shape. But just want to do a brief video here so you can kind of look at it. Sorry about it being kind of in the snow here, but see that she had mentioned to me that the back mud flap, or whatever you might want to call it, snow flap, when she put in reverse, I guess once it got caught up in the track, and when she backed up it pulled it off of the actual machine, but it looks like it didn't really rip any holes or anything into the metal. It would just need a new one re-riveted onto there. Could use some detailing and cleaning. Obviously it's not clean at all, but condition wise I'd say it's a pretty good solid 8 out of 10. It does have that electronic reverse, PERC, Polaris electronic reverse control perk, 2,500 miles. Reverse button, and also I guess it runs on premium fuel when you turn the key. I'll try to get it running. I haven't started it all today, but let me give it a shot here. I hope I know what I'm doing. Let's see here. Maybe I have I think I had the key on off. Now I've got it on, so let me try it. Yep. You can see it runs pretty well. Sorry about that. I had the key actually in the off position when I thought it was on, but I've seen her pull it over. She isn't a very large person, but she gives a couple pulls. It starts up really no matter what the weather is. So, but good little machine. Make an offer on it. We are trying to sell it, so make an offer and we'll just take it from there. Any questions, please ask.